Hi friends and students, it's my class 42. Today we are discussing complementary shear stresses, a state of simple shear. A shear stress over a plane cannot exist without a balancing shear stress right angle to it. Consider an infinitely small block ABCD. Its cell unit perpendicular to the figure. Then ABCD cube. Sorry, not cube, block. Two area AB and CD into L is applied to tangent shear stresses Q, while intensity Q. AB and CD, two faces, shear stress is applied, but it cannot exist. There is a rotation for this couple, two equal and opposite forces. Moment of this couple, AB into L into AB area, AB into L area, shear stress Q. Then this is the force, and moment of this couple is AB into L into Q into BC. Moment of a couple is force into perpendicular distance between that forces. Here force is AB into L into Q, and BC is the perpendicular distance between these two. That is equal to, this cannot exist because there exists a rotation. This is not in equilibrium. For equilibrium, another couple is applied. A couple is balanced not with a force, only with another couple. A couple is balanced only with another couple. Then AB into L into Q into BC, moment of the couple, first couple. Then the second, BC into moment of the second couple, right angle to it, BC into L into Q into force into perpendicular distance between the AB. These two must be equal for equilibrium to exist. Then we know that AB into BC, L and L. Then this is Q dash, BC into L into Q dash into AB. Then here it is Q, B get Q is equal to Q dash. Here B get Q is equal to Q dash, because AB into BC into L, this can be cancelled, BC into L into AB, these two conditions can be cancelled, and Q is equal to Q dash. That is the couple is balanced. Now consider a cube, a square. Consider a square. See the figure. Tangent shear stresses are act on it. Consider the equilibrium of the part BCD or ABD. Consider the part BCD. Resolve these two forces Q S into, here the size of the square, breadth of length of the square or side of the square is s, and perpendicular to the figure there is L unit depth. Now two forces are here to resolve. First force, then two forces are here to resolve. Then 2 into Q into shear test is here to Q. 2 into Q into S into L into cos 45. We know that for a square the diagonal is 45 degree to the side. That is equal to 2 into Q into S into L divided by root 2. Now, then resolving the diagonal BD is stressed with a normal stress Pn. Then Pn into root 2 into S into L. Root 2S is the diagonal area of the length of the diagonal. Length of diagonal into L area. Pn into stress, normal stress into area force, that is resolved force. That is equal to 2 by root 2. There is 2 by root 2 QSL or found it, which is compressive. Then Pn is equal to root 2 cancelled. Here it is root 2. S cancelled, L cancelled. Then we know that Pn is equal to Q. The intensity of tensile stress on a plane AC is evidently equal numerically to Q. Pn normal stress on diagonal face is Pn is equal to Q. That is why, because this is case of a state of simple shear. Thank you.